Bayern Munich. When the Champions League anthem plays, this red kit made the entire continent shake. Made by Adidas, Bayern's deep red home kit features white 3 stripes and Deutsche Telekom's magenta logo on the chest. The away kit comes in white with thin red lines. This season they face Chelsea in the round of 16, away kit in London, home kit in Munich. Lewandowski scored 15 Champions League goals in this red kit in a single season. That record still stands today. And you know what? 1,500,000 people bought this kit that season from every corner of the world. Barcelona. When 90,000 fans at Camp Nou saw these blue and red stripes, they screamed with one voice. Made by Nike, the classic Blaugrana home kit features the Rakuten logo on the chest. The away kit comes in deep yellow and gold tones. This season, they faced Napoli in the round of 16 and wore the home kit in the second leg in Barcelona. Then came Bayern, 8-2. One of the heaviest nights in football history. Yet that season, 1,900,000 people still bought this kit. Because no matter what Barcelona means to you, it is still Barcelona. Real Madrid. When the floodlights turn on at the Bernabeu, this all-white kit becomes the most powerful symbol in world football. Made by Adidas, the all-white home kit features a subtle gold trim around the collar and the Emirates Airways logo on the chest. The away kit comes in deep blue with gold details. This season, they face Manchester City in the round of 16. 2 legs of exciting football, goals on both sides. City went through, but that season 2,100,000 people bought this white kit. The highest number on this entire list. Nobody forgets Real Madrid's white. Liverpool. When "You'll Never Walk Alone" echoes through Anfield, this red kit feels like it was stitched from pride, not fabric. Made by Nike, the deep red home kit features the standard chartered logo on the chest. The away kit comes in white with thin red and green lines. This season they faced Atletico Madrid in the round of 16. Away kit in Madrid, home kit at Anfield. The reigning Champions League holders, the team everyone expected to go deep. But Atletico's defense changed everything. They went out. Yet 1,800,000 people bought this red kit that season. Because a Liverpool kit is not just clothing. It is a feeling. PSG. The night lights of Paris make this deep blue kit look like nothing else in football. Made by Nike, the PSG home kit features a red and blue pattern inspired by the Paris crest on the chest. Fly Emirates sits as the sponsor. The away kit comes in white with thin blue lines. This season they faced Borussia Dortmund in the round of 16. Away kit in Dortmund, home kit in Paris. Neymar, Mbappe, both in the same kit. That season, 1,600,000 people bought this kit. And this was PSG's first ever Champions League final season. Manchester City. At the Etihad Stadium, this sky blue kit represented Pep Guardiola's finest football. Made by Nike, the home kit features the Etihad Airways logo on the chest. The away kit comes in deep blue and gold tones. This season, they faced Real Madrid in the round of 16. De Bruyne was officially named the best player in England that season. His team knocked out Real Madrid across 2 legs. Yet UEFA's potential ban hung over the club that same year. Still, 1,200,000 people bought this kit that season. Juventus black and white stripes. Nothing added, nothing removed. Made by Adidas, the Juventus home kit features the Jeep logo on the chest. The away kit comes in deep blue with thin green lines. This season they faced Lyon in the round of 16. Ronaldo scored in both legs, but the team went out. Sometimes in football, even the greatest player is not enough. That season, 1,400,000 people bought this kit. Borussia Dortmund. The yellow wall at Signal Iduna Park, Die Gelbe Wand, 25,000 fans screaming at once makes this yellow kit look like it is lighting up the entire stadium. Made by Puma, the bright yellow home kit features the Evonik logo on the chest. The away kit comes in deep black with thin yellow lines. This season they faced PSG in the round of 16. And that season one name changed everything. Erling Haaland. Debut season, 10 Champions League goals. Age 19. All in this yellow kit. That season, 900,000 people bought this kit, and most of them with Haaland on the back. Which club kit do you think looks the best? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. Champions League, fashion, and sport content every single week. One click is all it takes, but it means everything to this channel.